Hello friends, today's I want to show you how to use passkeys on a Google account. First, open up the Google Play Store. Here tap on your Google Play Store profile. Now tap on manage your Google account. Here you have to simply tap on security and sign in option. Now scroll down below, so here you notice that there is a passkey feature. Here you have to simply tap on use passkey. Now here you have to simply tap on done. So you notice that I have successfully enabled the passkeys. Now you notice that there is a one passkey device. So this features allows you to log in your Google account without typing again and again password on this same device. So I have already enabled my passkeys feature on this Galaxy A0 2s. So every time when I need to sign in a Google, so I don't need to put my Google account password, so I just need to put my security pin of my phone screen lock. So once I put the security pin, so it will be automatically sign in. So by doing this process, you can easily turn on the passkeys on a Google account. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.